Hi guys. I don't know if you can see me right now. I'm kind of in the dark, so please. I don't know if you guys are able to see me, but I am in the next way. So now you can see me. Yeah, now you can see me. If you're blind people, I'm very sorry. Very sorry. I'm very sorry for the blind people. They won't be able to see me. I don't think blind people watch these videos. I don't know. It's one or the other. So now recording. So we can do this. Just exit out of this with it to keep going. I don't know if you can. Am I able to? Oh, scream. Oh, shoot, no, I don't want to go in there. I don't want to go in there. Now I'm going to put myself on TV. Not a good idea. Okay, so it's kind of hard to see me, but when I'm right here. I'm right here, moving around, so you can see me. So, sorry, I don't want you to be scared. Still me, so, I don't know what to do. So, can I save this? Doing that. So, today I'm mostly going. Don't know what to do. How do I do this? How do I keep the video on? Is there like a way?